Well guys, down here at the shop we had some beautiful skies, but now it's black. Looks like we got a wicked thunderstorm coming in. It's piss pouring out now. It was like really muggy hot coming down here. Came down here on the bike, but got a customer's lawnmower to fix. I already just to do the spring maintenance on it. So I did the oil, gonna change the fuel. I already cleaned up the underside, all the grass. All I got left to do is sharpen the blade and clean the air filter. And that'll be a couple bucks towards the shop. Well, I'm gonna get to cleaning up that filter. Just a matter of taking that screw out, squishing it out, cleaning it up with some gas, soaking in a bit of oil, squeeze all the rest of the oil out and put it back in. And sharpen the blades. I don't know whether on this one I'll take the blade off. I'll probably just get it from underneath with the grinder and make sure it's on a 45-degree angle and cut any of the rock hits out of it so it's nice and straight, and then cut the 45 angle on the blade. Alrighty guys, cheers. She's really coming down now. Well guys, this one looks pretty easy to get to, and it's not chipped too bad, but it is really dull as shit. So just needs a good sharpening, and we'll get that done. It's a little harder to get to, so I am going to pull the blade off of this. Got a couple little bent over here, so I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to show the guy, but he's definitely going to have to invest in a new blade sometime. Alright guys, just cleaned up the actual cutting part of it. Once this wears down, like, you're pretty much hoid. But keep your sharp area on a 45-degree angle. That way it keeps the strength of the blade and it doesn't thin it out too much. So you just want to sharpen the edge to a 45. Alright, now just a matter of putting the blade back on. Got the key groove here. That slides up in like that. And your blade. And one bolt. Alright, now just a matter of doing the filter and we're done. Look at that. Definitely need the cleaning. Get all that cleaned up and put it back. bit of choke at the beginning because I changed the fuel and drained it out, but runs good. Alrighty, cheers guys. So it ain't hard to service your own stuff. Alright, cheers.